Hey everyone, this is Ishan from Team Better World, and this is our product AirPower. This is a submission for the ToHacks Hackathon 2021. Now let's start with a very basic question about what we are trying to achieve here. For that, this article from NDTV should be a great reference about how power companies in India are losing more than 55,000 crores per year due to issues like meter tampering, theft, and many more. AirPower can help with all of these mentioned on it. Now you must be wondering what's AirPower. It's a collection of complete end-to-end services which are built around an IoT device that can be installed in your residences. Let's take a closer look. We have an ACS712 sensor along with an Arduino and LCD display. This gives you an output of the current measure of power, and this is a video of a working prototype. As you can see, this is uploading the data to Firebase, and this whole setup costs us around 500 rupees to make, so this shouldn't be much costly once we are scaling up and manufacturing it. Now let me just share what we have built. For this we have built three devices. First is an IoT based device which will measure the current electricity and upload it to Firebase. Second one is a flutter based app which is made specifically for the consumers. And the third one is a really powerful admin dashboard where the power companies can manage the amount of current electricity consumed, to keep a track of complaints, and much more that we will see in detail. Let me give you a quick sneak peek of what we have built so far, and in case you like to follow along, you can just visit this website. This is the landing page of our website. If I'll just scroll down, you can see we have this beautiful and incredibly powerful dashboard. Let's try to dig deeper. First of all, we have a complaints tracker system which can help you to keep a track of all the issues your consumers have generated and assign them to different teams right within the dashboard. Then we have a theft detection system which can alert you in case of power theft, meter tampering, etc. Next up, we have these map clusters which can help you keep a track of real-time data of how power is being distributed over a region, and you can also detect issues like grid failure, power outage, etc. Although we could have stopped there, but we also made this flutter based app where users can keep a track of their usage, pay their bills, and interact with other services and many more.